Yeah, changing this coolant pipe. These things know to go bad. So in order to do this, you have to take off the high pressure fuel pump. You don't have to take off the manifold. You could take off the flange and the clamp that holding the pump, and you could just slide the pump forward, undo the bolt, at least your hand can reach. I put in the new one here, just making sure it's in properly because the space is very limited. And in order to get it, I dropped the starter and I took off the actually changing. I'm gonna change the high pressure fuel pump. I changed this before, but I ain't going back in there. So I'm gonna change it again. I'm gonna change the oil filter reservoir. Doing a few fuel service. All the main belts are gonna change. I changing the main belts. I change the water pump. It due service. A good car. She been faithful. W204. You know. Nothing was wrong with it. I just decided to do all the service because I have the other Mercedes and then there. It's time to service. Yeah, I might just sell it. Again, guys, take off the airbox, take off the oil airbox. Take off the ECU and you'll be able to reach back there. The real tight engine trying to deal with it. Take out the starter. If you realize the oil filter reservoir, I'm gonna upgrade that. I'm gonna put the aluminum one. It doesn't matter to me, that should make sense anyway because the gaskets is the same. You know. I do know a set of fluid flushing all the fluids. Car been parked for like months. This is the wife old C-Class. Since she get the SUV, she hasn't been driving this one, so I decided to do some work on it. Alright guys, so when you're putting it in, you see this hose here? See this hose here? There's a little clamp on your coolant pipe. Make sure you put it around this hose and you send it up. Put some grease on it or whatever in case it's dry. Send it up and put it in. Otherwise, if you try to put in this coolant pipe just like that, you're gonna catch your ass. It's hard. So the easiest way to do it is put the coolant pipe, the little hook, the little clamp is a hose clamp for the around this hose here and send it up. That's this part here. See how this part did break? This break and this break. Trying to take it out. Alright guys, and it should be easy.